Now to our final award before your main course this evening, which is Best in Financial Services. Intuitive, attractive, informative, a top-class smartphone app that succeeds where many have failed by bringing their concept to life. The winner in Best in Financial is My Pension app, submitted by Irish Life Corporate Business.